Hi, my name is Jacob Kahn, National Brand Ambassador for Babyliss Pro. I'm so excited to show you the new Babyliss Pro Barbersonic Disinfecting Box. The Barbersonic Disinfecting Box is a valuable tool for barbers and stylists alike to keep their tools sanitary and up to state code. This first-to-market Barbersonic box is made to modernize the cleaning process for barbers and stylists. It uses the power of sonic vibrations with the help of the solution to clean foreign particles, hair, dirt, and grime off of your tools. As you can see here, the Barbersonic has specially designed dual soaking compartments, ideal for shears, combs, guards, blades, clips, anything that you need. It also has a removable guard tray. Once you close the box, it triggers a 1-minute sonic vibration cycle. In addition, the box also has an LED light that will shut off when the 10-minute state-required soak is complete. There are 2 ways to power this tool. The unit comes with an auxiliary power cord, and the unit may also be powered with 3 C batteries for barbers on the go. This tool has 2 different power settings. The on will run continuously for as long as you have the cap closed. The auto will run a 1-minute sonic vibration cycle and a 10-minute LED light to indicate when your tools are finished soaking. As you can see here, at Babyliss Pro, we're committed to making the best products designed for barbers and stylists alike. And the Babyliss Pro Barbersonic Disinfectant Box is no exception. Thank you for joining, and I hope you enjoy learning about this innovative tool.